Hi everyone, so today I want to talk about the map function. So what is the map function? First of all, it requires two things. The first thing is the function name. The second thing is iterators. Let me explain you. Let's say you have two lists. Each of the lists contain numbers, and I want to run a function which will do addition between each of the numbers in the list. In order to make it work, you have to use a specific loop function, go through each of the numbers and execute the function. So it's several lines of code. With the map function, you can save these several numbers of code. So let's start. Let's say I have a function which will do addition between A and B. Okay, and return A plus B. Now we have list A, and just give random numbers and create list B. Okay, now without the map function, you usually need to go through each of these numbers and through these numbers, and then execute the add function which will do the addition between these numbers. Okay, index 0, 1, 2 and 3. In this case we have only 4 numbers, but let's say your list can be dynamic and it doesn't have to be only 4 numbers. Now let's create a variable to save the results, and here is where I'm going to use the map function. I'm calling the function and then I'm giving the iterators. It will be A and it will be B. Let me print it. We're going to get incorrect results right now. Okay, let me explain you why you are getting this result. So what happens here now is that result becoming a list. So when you print the result, it actually gives you back the index in the memory. Okay, by the end it saves inside the result the addition between 1 and 10, 2 and 13, 3 and 14, 4 and 16. So in order to see it correctly, you just have to cast list. Here we go. Now you have all the results in this list, and we use only one line. Okay, you can execute the same thing for strings, numbers, whatever you want. Okay, I hope this video helped you, and subscribe the channel and like the video. See you later.